One of my favorite pieces of equipment to keep our bodies feeling good at home is a foam roller. We can use this for many things, but today I'm going to demonstrate how to use it to reset our spine to make our neck feel better. This also helps a lot with upper back and even lower back pain. I'll touch on that, but today again we're just focusing on the neck. If you don't have a foam roller at home, you can use a long, thick, rolled up towel. Thanks for the demo, Fred. Let's see how this works. What I'm trying to achieve is I'm going to put my tailbone on here, and then as I lay down, I'm gently rolling so that each of my spine bones are touching the foam roller. Especially in the lower back, I'm gently doing a bit of an ab crunch to keep my lower back nice and flat. You see, I can't sneak my fingers underneath my lower back here. Now, what this allows us to do is, because each of the spine bones is supported, and only the spine, it lets the shoulders fall open so that you get a good stretch in the front of the chest. This is also a totally neutral position, meaning this is exactly where your body wants to be, but none of your muscles have to be activated to maintain this position. So what we're teaching the body, the back, and the spine is that it's safe to be in a neutral position and you don't have to protect. Many times, chronic pain in the neck and the back are because the muscles are always turned on trying to protect your back from an injury, but they get tired and sore because they don't know how to turn off because your back doesn't yet feel safe. So what we're trying to do here is spend a few minutes, more is better, but at least a couple, maybe even Netflix and chill here, by breathing and feeling your spine melt into the foam roller. We also want to feel our shoulders fall open. Can we gently pull our shoulders a couple inches away from our ears? Many of us spend way too much time in defensive mode trying to protect our neck with our shoulders, and that leads to tight trapezius muscles, and many people have trigger points here. So if we can engage our lat muscles or our armpit muscles to pull our shoulder blades down away from our ears, then those muscles get to relax too. Another common cue that I like to think about is trying to separate my tailbone and the top of my head. So I'm trying to lengthen my back out and then breathe in and melt on the out breath. So spending a few minutes here every day teaches your back that it can be safe in a neutral position and none of your muscles have to be turned on and protecting your lower back. It never hurts to add in a little bit of movement. We can always gently look from side to side, as comfortable, only as far as your body is allowing you to. One thing you might keep in mind is I'm actually putting a little bit of pressure into the back of my head, activating those muscles as I'm rotating. This is going to reinforce good posture in that neutral position. Spend some time in this position. Give your shoulders, neck, and lower back a bit of a break and see how you feel.